Example 1, we're going to distribute over addition, and we've got a group of 7 adults and 6 children are going to the University of South Florida Bulls baseball game. So we've got 7 adults and 6 children. And you're going to notice a lot of times with word problems, I try to underline important information. And what we're trying to do here is we're going to use the distributive property to write and evaluate an expression for the total ticket cost. And don't worry about this understand, plan, solve, and check. These are the 4 steps that you're supposed to do in problem solving, but we can probably figure this out. So I've got the cost of an adult single game. So I've got 7 adults plus children 12 and under, and it doesn't tell us if they're 12 and under. Let's assume they are. And now you're going to see, why am I getting this answer wrong right now? Well, I didn't really read through all the information in the question, because I read the question, but what I didn't look at was at this table. Because as soon as I see right here, groups of 10 or more for a single game get the same cost for a ticket, I was doing that problem wrong to start. Okay? Hopefully you caught that and didn't write that down, but you always should look at all of your information. So I know I have 7 adults and 6 children. I know the cost for adults, children, but I also know there's a different cost for groups of 10 or more and for seniors. So I'm going to use this cost for a group of 10 or more. So I know I'm going to have 2, this is the ticket price, and I'm going to have to multiply that by a total number of people. And you probably would just add those up in your head, but let's show it this way. I have to multiply it by my 7 adults plus my 6 children. And then here, look right here, we have the distributive property. We can do 2 times 7 plus 2 times 6. So I'm going to distribute that. 2 times 7 is 14. Bring down my addition sign. Plus 2 times 6 is 12, and I get 26. So it would cost them $26 to go to a baseball game. Now, you're probably thinking, I could have just added these 2 numbers together and then multiplied, and you're exactly right. And notice, you get the same answer either way you do it. We just wanted to make sure we could show what the distributive property looked like in this problem. So remember, distributive property, you multiply what's outside the parentheses times everything inside the parentheses.